Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're getting into the source material on the Aurora Multimedia RXT-21VS-B. It's a 21.5-inch touch panel.
And it's not a cheap one.
No, definitely not. We're talking $3,190. Though, quick note, you can get a discount with the code 10% off.
Right.
But the thing that really jumps out immediately, for me at least, is its procurement profile. It's listed as TAA compliant and made in the USA.
Which is huge. That means it's, tariff-free. For government purchasing, TAA compliance is basically a golden ticket.
A massive advantage right out of the gate.
It is, and the tech really has to back that up. The whole system is defined as a ReAX-enabled touch panel device.
So ReAX, that's the core of it.
Exactly. It's got this powerful ReAX control and automation engine built right in. This isn't just a screen, it's the brain for, digital signage, security, the whole 9 yards.
Okay, so that's the secret sauce. But here's what I'm trying to wrap my head around. They claim an average user can build an interface with their ReAX Core Studio. Drag and drop, no code. But then they also say you can import your own JavaScript and CSS for ultimate flexibility. I mean, aren't those two completely different users? It feels a little like overkill.
You'd think so, but that's really the balancing act they've pulled off here.
Okay.
Look, for a simple conference room schedule or a building directory, the average user is totally fine with the no-code tools. It's intuitive.
Sure, that makes sense.
But then you get into, say, a government facility or a corporate headquarters. They need more. They need to integrate with proprietary systems, real-time data feeds.
Right, things that a simple drag-and-drop tool just can't handle.
Precisely. And for that user, the system opens up completely. You can bring in your own HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code. You can build something totally custom, totally unique, that still runs on that same powerful ReAX engine underneath.
So it's got layers, simple on top, complex underneath if you need it.
That's the idea.
Okay, but if you're going to be running custom code, streaming security video, the hardware has to be able to keep up. What's under the hood here? And, I gotta ask, the sources mention Android 9. Isn't that like a bit dated for a secure enterprise world?
That is a very sharp observation. And yes, the hardware is, it's pretty robust. It's built on an RK3399 Cortex 6-core processor.
Just cores?
Yeah, this is commercial-grade silicon. It's backed by 4 gigs of RAM. This isn't some tablet chip. It's designed to do that heavy-lifting 4K video control logic without, breaking a sweat.
And the Android 9 question.
Right. So in the commercial AV space, stability and certification are often way more important than having the absolute latest version number. Android 9 is a very mature, stable platform. It's been through all the enterprise security checks.
So it's a known quantity. They're prioritizing rock-solid performance over the newest shiny object.
You got it. And that processing power is what directly enables those key features we're talking about. The 4K digital signage, the reliable streaming video for security, and using it as an intelligent kiosk.
It sounds like they thought about the installation side of things, too.
Oh, absolutely. It's built for almost any scenario. You can mount it in portrait or landscape.
VESA 100 mount, which
Yeah.
is standard.
Yep, and for connectivity, it's all enterprise-focused. You've got 1 gigabit LAN with PoE, so power and data over one cable.
Which is a lifesaver for installers.
A huge one. Plus an HDMI 2.0 output, dual-band Wi-Fi, and there's even a SIM card slot for a 4G option if you need it.
Wow. Okay. So if we step back, what this all means for you, the listener, is that this Aurora panel is really defined by two major forces. On one hand, you have the incredibly flexible ReAX software.
Right, that serves both the novice and the expert coder.
And on the other hand, you have this really strategic hardware that's built for demanding commercial use. But it all comes back to that first point we made, doesn't it? The TAA, made in the USA status.
It does, and it really raises an important question for anyone in this industry. When you're talking about a large-scale deployment and you consider the power of the ReAX control and how it integrates with everything, is the supply chain origin now just as critical to that final decision as the speed of the processor itself?
That made in the USA tag might just be the real killer feature.